everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I just got home about 15 minutes ago, and on the way home I went to Penny's or Primark, whatever you want to call it, and I spent a little bit of money. So if you want to see what I bought in Penny's or what's there right now, then just keep watching. I have like two bags. I have one big bag, I have something outside of the bag, and I also have like a little one. So let's jump straight into it because I think it's going to be a little bit long. I also have a couple of things from Pretty Little Thing and two other bits that I wanted to show you. So I'm gonna try and keep this as short as I possibly can. Let's go. The first thing I got is something that I saw at the till, and I was like, no, I have to get this for, I don't know, Christmas or someone's birthday or something. My birthday. Maybe I can wrap my own presents in this. It's wrapping paper, and it's Harry Potter wrapping paper. It looks like this. I just thought it was really, really cool. It looks like the map. So yeah, it's 5 meters. I don't know why I got it. It was literally just, oh my god, I need that. It was €2 in case you're wondering. I'm gonna go through this little bag. In total, I spent €116.50. Oops. I haven't been in Penny's for a long time though, so, well, I went to Edinburgh. I went to Primark in Edinburgh. First of all, I got this hand wash that kind of looks like Joe Malone. It's just hand wash with vitamin E, and it was €1 reduced from 5, so I couldn't go wrong. Then I got these heel cushions. They're basically for your shoes so they don't rub your feet, and that was $1.50. Boring stuff. Then I got 2 pairs of sunglasses. The first ones are €4 and they look like this. They have like pink frames and they are rose gold and just pink. My cat is going mental right here, but this is what they look like. I'm sorry about the label, but they're like cat-shaped sunglasses. Again, you can't go wrong because they're only €4, and I broke my sunglasses the other day, so I was like, I need some sunglasses just for my bag. And then another pair is €4 again, and these look like this. So they kind of have like a square but still kind of round shape to them. I really like them. So that's what they look like. I'm aware that I look really weird in sunglasses on camera. They look better in person. And then the last thing in this little bag, I'm going to give this back to Katiga because she's going mental. Oh, she's going to be making noise now. Oh no, that was a bad idea. And then I got some earrings, and they were €3. It says on them that they're a must-have. That's what they look like. So they have gold detailing and then the cream white tassels. I just thought they'd be really nice for, I don't know, weddings or anything. Because so far I have 2 weddings to go to this year. So yeah, I just thought they'd be really nice. Or just for a Sunday outfit or whatever. Anyway, next I'm going to get this out of the way. I got 2 pillows. So they were €10 and I got 2 pillows because, I don't know, I just like to change them up every now and again. And also for those pillows I got 2 super soft pillow protectors. So this was €5. Boring. Boring. Next I got a water bottle because I had one of these before from Penny's. It's literally the exact same size, it was just a different colour. You can probably remember if you watched my videos for a long time. But I dropped it and it kind of broke, so now it leaks whenever I put water in it and turn it upside down. So this is what it looks like. It's like hot pink and black, and it says gym first, gin later. I thought it was really cute, and yeah, I really liked it just because what is it? I can't remember how much is in here. Oh, it's 1,000 milliliters. So yeah, it's just really good, and I'm joining the gym, so this will be good for my bag. Honestly, I need to film more often. I'm really sorry for the lack of videos recently. I've been super busy with college. I always say that, but I really am. Then I got some pants, and these were reduced to 50 cents, and they were €4. I just thought, I don't usually wear pants like this on an everyday basis, but if I want some like sleek pants or something, then I can just have these. So there's 2 pairs for 50¢, so I couldn't not take them. Then I got a couple of pairs of trousers. I got some trousers like this in Penneys before. I only have 1 pair. And then I showed you the pink ones in my Edinburgh haul. I'm going to link it up here or there or something like that. Yeah, I got some of those, but I'm kind of obsessed with them now. So I had to get another pair. And I saw on Instagram, on Penneys Instagram, that they had some new ones in. So I had to go and get some. So these are the first pair. So they're basically long trousers, and they have that like paper bag waist with a little like tie over here. And yeah, I just thought they were really nice. They have pockets, and then at the back they have some fake pockets. But yeah, I just thought they were really, really cool, and they'd be really nice to style like in the spring and summer. And yeah, it's just a really nice thing to wear with just like a plain top and whatever. Even like Vans, it doesn't have to be like dressy, it can be dressed down. And yeah, I've been obsessed with those. These were €16, so not bad. Then I got this skirt, and it's a denim skirt with these embroidered like flower patterns on both sides. And then this is the back. I got this in a 10, and this was €17. So a little bit on the pricey side for a denim skirt. But I don't know if it's just me, but this looks like something Topshop would have. And I think I was actually in Topshop today because I was returning a pair of shoes that I bought, and they were just like too small or something. And I was returning those, and they had so many nice bits. And they had something similar to this, so I'm excited that I got that in Penneys for a little bit cheaper. Then I got a swimsuit, and I know I have swimsuits and I shouldn't be getting any more, but I had to get something because Penneys, as always, has their summer range really, really early. So I got a red bikini. I never wear red, so this is something different. Tiga. These are the bottoms, and they were €5, so they're just normal red bottoms, and they have like a little ring on the side. And then the top looks like this, so it's kind of like a triangle bikini, and then the back is like this. So it's super simple, but I really liked it. And again, I never wear red, so it was something different. And the top was €7. Then I got this little skirt, and I thought it was the cutest thing ever. It looks like this. It has tiny, tiny little daisies and like blue leaves. But I just thought this would be so nice for like layering with a white top and some sandals. And it has little buttons going down the front, if you can see that. Again, I got that in a 10, and it was €6. And it's such a nice flowy material, so this will be perfect for holidays. Then in the bikini section, I think this is like a cover-up because it's super low, like low v-neck. So I'm not sure if this would be like appropriate to wear not as a cover-up, but this is what it looks like. It's this striped playsuit, and it basically goes like this into shorts. It's super cute. I just love this pattern. Like, this is probably my favorite pattern for the summer. And I got this in a medium, which is like 10 to 12, and this was €12. Again, it's really nice, soft and thin fabric. So I'm excited to wear that. Oh, and the last thing from Penneys, this was really fast. 10 minutes, 45 seconds, okay. The last thing is, again, another pair of trousers. I saw these on Emer's Pennies to Prada, I think her name is on Instagram. I saw that on her Instagram, and she always puts up little stories of what's in Penneys right now. And I saw this yesterday, and I was like, oh my god, I need to go get this. These are the trousers, so they're basically white and grey, no, white and navy striped. And again, they go down all the way to the end. I just thought these would be really cool. I'm not sure if I'll be able to pull them off. I haven't tried anything on yet just because I'm only home. But I'm going to try everything on and see how I like them. And if I don't, then I'll just return them. But they have 2 pockets again, and then this tie and paper bag kind of waist. They were €16. And they only had 3 of these left. So I picked up the one of them. They also have a blazer to that, but I'm not really brave enough to wear that. I don't know. I just don't think I could pull it off. So I just got the trousers, and I'll see how I get on with those. So yeah, that's everything from Pennies. Now I'm going to show you a couple of things that I got from Pretty Little Thing because they literally just arrived. So the first thing that I got was on sale, I believe. I'm going to look at the little receipt now in a second. This is like a t-shirt dress, and it's like a oatmeal color with white stripes. It has like 3/4 lengths. Oh no, she's going mad for the bags. It has 3/4 length kind of sleeves, or just a little bit longer short sleeves, and it basically goes down just below my knee. And I got this, I think I got it in a 14. No, I got it in a 12. But it's super oversized, but I kind of like it, and it's really flowy and thin, but it's not that thin, so it's not see-through or anything. So I got that. That dress was $11.20. It was it's called an oatmeal striped oversized t-shirt dress, but it was on sale, so that's why. And then I got a bikini, which was $21.60, and it comes in a set, so like it comes as one basically. Again, it's something that I really have to try on because I'm not sure how it's going to look. But these are the pants, and they are like the high leg bikini bottoms, and that's what they look like at the back. And then this is the top. So it's black, and this is the back. Yeah, I got this in a 12, and it was, as I said, $21.60. So I'm going to try this on and see how I get on with that. Hopefully it fits. Then the last thing I got that I want to talk about because I fell in love with it is a keep cup. So basically I ordered this a week ago, I believe, and it's a cup that you can, it's like a reusable cup. I heard about this from Rhiannon Ashley's vlogs because she uses a keep cup all the time, and basically I wanted one of mine. So she usually has the smaller version, but I got the tall version, and I got it in the long play version, which basically means that it comes with a plastic kind of cup on top of the glass one because it's a glass cup. And I also got it personalized, so I chose the color of this, this, and this. And I just really like it. Like, it's so handy to drink from. You just do this and then this. It's just really nice to drink from. And then I also got a metal straw and a straw cleaner that I just literally threw across the room. I apologize. But it's basically a cleaner to clean this. And yeah, this has become one of my favorite things. I drank from it 3 times already, so it's not that much, but I just love it so much, and it looks so nice, and it's not heavy or anything. It fits perfectly in my bag, and I know that I'm going to be using this a lot. So I'm going to pop the link to that in the description box if you want to check it out for yourself. And yeah. Last thing, oh my god, we're on 15 minutes 43 seconds. Last thing I wanted to mention is Skinny Coffee Club, which is a skinny coffee, basically. So it says simple, fast, and fabulous. And the one that I have is the chocolate mocha edition, and it's the 28-day program. I love the way it says Livin' La Vida Mocha on that. So it's basically a skinny coffee. What are the ingredients? It says instant coffee, sugar, sweet whey powder, fat reduced cocoa powder, Cambodia, green tea extract, skimmed milk powder, salt, and thickener. So it's basically coffee, but it has like green tea in it as well, but this one is the mocha, so it has chocolate like powder in as well. But what I was supposed to say is that I'm loving this. I am collaborating with them, so I'm not getting paid to do this, but I have been sent this to review. But I've been loving this so much. I literally have been drinking this every single morning for the past week, and it tastes so good. I'm not sure what the coffee version of this tastes like. I'm gonna try it soon, but I am definitely loving the mocha version of it. So if you're looking for something to drink in the morning, definitely check this one out. And I have a 20% off code, which is MoreMartasLife. No, it's not. It's MartasLife20. Don't know why I said MoreMartasLife. MartasLife20. I'm going to link it down below again and write it down for you. But yeah, I would definitely recommend it, and I think that's all I had to say. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure you click that bell button to be notified of my new videos. And yeah, I really hope you're well, and I hope you're having a lovely day whenever you're watching this, and I will see you all in my next video.